So I just recently picked up another M38 Carcano Short Rifle from Roll Tiger Imports. They're running a sale on these. They run them for about 150 bucks, which is a pretty good deal. So to go ahead and roll the dice on it again. I did get one of these recently that I'm still working on, and I may end up swapping some parts between these two just because some of the parts are better on this one than the other one. So go ahead and take a closer look at it, starting with the butt. See, it's in pretty good shape. Got that butt plate, both screws. It does have almost like some nails in here, like I don't know if the soldier got bored or something, but kind of strange. See, it's dirty, but it should clean up nicely. The trigger guard looks like it's in good shape. See, it's got a decent amount of finish left. Didn't look like it got obliterated by that wire wheel. They did rubber band, looks like a clip here on the side of the rifle. And does have the front band. A lot of times that's missing. I'll go ahead and turn it over. On the other side, you can see it's got a little hole here. It does have the piece here for the sling on the butt. It does look like they took a wire wheel here to the serial number just to try to make it more visible, but they did kind of hit that 9 a little bit there in the front. It's a little hard to see right now, the manufacturer information. Have to clean it up for that. And then you got the loop here for the sling up front. It's got both screws for the nose cap, and other than some wear on the barrel here, looks like it's in pretty decent shape. So go ahead and get started cleaning this rifle up. I'll break it down, probably boil it, put it in ultrasonic cleaner, get it cleaned up, and then I'll take some parts from each of the short rifles I got from RTI, try to make the best example of it. This one definitely seems to be the better of the two so far, but I'll see more when I start taking it apart. If you'd like to be alerted of that video, feel free to subscribe and sign up for alerts. I have some other projects coming out, as well as some other range videos I'll be doing. If you have any questions about this rifle, feel free to drop it in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching.